Okay, I'll be recording the session now and sharing my screen. And it's a day 6, I guess. Is it?
Yep. This is
Okay, it's a day 6 session, and we're talking about operators, and it's a logical operator we are talking about. So it's operators, logical operators, okay? And okay, so it's a logical operator. The logical operators, it is used to perform logical AND operation. Okay, logical AND operation. Okay, logical OR operation. I'll explain you what it is. Okay,
okay.
okay, and see, and logical NOT. Okay, see what is AND operation. Okay, let's say there are three friends. Okay, okay, they are planning trip. See, three friends planning a trip. Okay. Okay, let's say friends are A, B, C. Okay, A friend is there, B and C is there. Okay, now A says, okay, no. Okay, that means I'm not coming. That means false. Okay, A says,
Okay.
I'm not coming to the trip. Okay, and B says, I'm also not coming. Okay, and C says, okay, me neither. Okay. So that means what? So
You
is trip, see, is trip successful?
know it's not successful.
So that means when you do A and B, okay, see A and B and C, okay. So this is false,
Okay.
this is also false, and this is also false, you know. So false, false, and false is nothing but, see, false means zero, okay? Zero, zero, zero is, results in zero. That means false.
Okay.
Understand?
Yep.
You understand? This is one probability. Okay. Let's
Yeah, I
talk
understand.
about another probability. Okay. So the other probability is, okay, let me just copy paste. See, this is second probability. In this, A says false. Okay. B says false and
Okay.
C is true. I'm going to the tree. Okay, so A is false, B is false, and C says I'm true. But still, it is false. Why? Because trip is successful when all says yes, all says true. That means it's a zero and one is zero only. Understand?
Okay. Yep.
And another one, the probability is this. In this one, A says false, B says true, and C says true. So in this one, look at here, B says true, C says true, A says false. So still it is, it's like zero, false is zero, true is one, 0, 1, 1 is also zero. Why? Because all has to be true. Understand? Now let's see, okay, in here, this is true, okay, this is true,
Okay.
and this is true. All true, okay, this is true, all true. Now tell me, when it's all true, okay, then this is also true. Okay, that means this is one, two meaning one. Okay, this is one. One is one. Okay. So logical AND says that you know if all conditions, okay, all conditions, okay, let me type it in lowercase, all conditions, okay, the answer results, okay, all conditions results in true, okay,
Then
then
it's true. Then
then it's true, okay. If any
it's
one of the
success.
condition is false, okay, if any one condition results in false, okay, returns false. Okay, then it's false. Okay,
Okay.
so it's like that. So it returns true. Okay, we can say returns true in simple language. We say it returns true when all conditions are true. Okay, and it returns, okay, so it returns true when all conditions are true. If any one of the condition is false, then it's false. Okay.
Okay.
So example is given in here. Okay,
Yep.
and logical OR. Let's talk about logical OR now. Okay, so logical OR says, okay, it returns true if at least one condition is true. Okay, so three friends are there again, A, B, and C. Okay, what they're saying, at least one has to say yes. Okay, three
Okay.
friends are there, A, B, C. Okay, if this says I'm not coming to the trip, this says I'm not coming to the trip, and last one says I'm going to the trip. So that means trip is successful. Okay, that means ABC has to go to the trip. Okay, this is true. If this is because here, look at here. The condition, it returns true if at least one condition is true. Okay, so look at here. A or B or C. Okay, any one of these should be true. Any one of these, either A or B or C. Then the expression returns true. Okay,
Okay.
understand? And if all are false, okay, if all are false, this is false, this is false, and C says, okay, so then in that case only it returns false. Okay, if either C says true or B says true or all says true, it is always true. Okay, you understand?
Yep.
Okay, and what is logical not? Okay, logical not is, okay, it returns true when condition is false. It is opposite. Okay,
Okay.
it's opposite. So like it's it's like A says I'm true, then the not A means it's a false. Okay, if
Okay.
A says false, then not A is true. Opposite. Okay,
Yep.
understand? So let's
Yes.
check the program now. Let's do the program. Okay, so it's a public static void main, then string is an array. Okay, arguments. This is input. Okay, input or values stored in arguments. So it's a command line input. Okay, during when you run the program, you pass some information that stores in arguments. So it's boolean. We say x is true. We say boolean. We say y is false. Okay, proceed. If you want to print what is x and y, okay, so we can say system dot out dot println. Okay, we just say x and y is, and then you have to print in here in bracket x and y. So tell me what it will print.
What? Wait.
See, x is what? True.
Okay.
Y is what? False.
Okay. So to give out false.
So true and false. So
False.
it's false. Okay, for logical and x should be true and y should be true, then it will print true. Okay, if any one of this is false, okay, then it will return false. Let's save this, run this. It says x and y is false. See,
Okay.
you understand?
Yep.
And now let's print logical OR. Okay, let's make it this also true. Okay, Now it will say it's true.
Yep.
See, it says X and Y is true because both are true. If any one is false, then it is false. Okay. Let's do logical OR now. This is okay. And all right. Okay.
Okay.
So now what should it should return? See, it's a logical OR. Either one has to be true. Okay.
Okay.
It results in true if any one of the conditions is true. Now X is false, but Y is true. So it prints true. Okay.
Okay.
You understand?
Yep.
Okay. See, it returns true. Oh, here we have to change. Okay, we didn't say like this. So let's run this. See, here X or Y is true because now if so let's say X is false and Y is false. Both are false. Then in that case it returns false.
Okay.
Okay. So look at it. Now it is returning false. Okay. And let's see not X. System dot out dot data line X. Okay, not X will do. Okay. Not X is, and we have to say in bracket not X. Okay, it's opposite. Okay, what is X? It's a false, so it will print true. Okay, it's opposite. So if X is false, it will print true, and X is true, it will print false. Okay, understand?
Yep.
See, it is printing true because X is false. If you make it true, now it will print false. So look at here, now it's printing true, isn't it?
Yep.
Uh, see, it's shouldn't print true, okay, not X. We didn't save it, sorry. We have to save this, then run it. See, X is false. Why is printing not X false? Because it's true, okay? And not true is false. That's why it's printing false in here. You understand?
Yep.
Now let's comment this code, okay? Let's comment this code, first copy, and let's comment this. The next topic that we are learning is ternary operator, okay?
Okay. And what is ternary operator?
It's a if-else replacement, okay?
Okay.
So it's like a shorthand version of the if-else, okay? Let's see that. So the ternary operator is, it is a shorthand version of if-else, okay? Like one line if-else statements, it can be converted to ternary, okay? Only one statement there is inside if, okay, in that case. So the general form of it, the condition is there, okay, question mark is that if this condition is true, no, then it will execute from question mark to colon. If the condition is false, no, it will execute from this colon to semicolon. Okay, depending on condition. Okay, if this condition is true, then this is executing. Okay,
Yep.
and if this condition is false, this is executing.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
So this if else another version.
Yeah, it's a replacement of if else. Okay. So let's check it. Okay. Let's say I want to find a greater number between x and y. Okay. So let's do that. Let's declare x as 10 and y as 5. So by looking at it, you know that x is greater, but we want to write if else. Okay, we say x greater y. If this condition is true, okay, this condition is true, meaning what? That if this results into, that means x's value is greater than y. Okay, so that we print it inside. Okay, so we say print x is greater. Okay, and there is a else. Okay, so else is it's a print. I will say y is greater. Why? Because see, when this condition is false, and when it becomes false, when x's value is not greater than y. Now look at here. 10 greater than 15? No. So when you say no, then it goes in here and prints it. Y is greater. Okay. So let's
Yep.
just copy this system.out.println. Okay, and paste it in here. All right. Let's just put semicolon in there. Okay. This is if else program though. We want to learn ternary operator. So we just convert this to ternary operator. Okay, just in 1 minute. Okay. So it's giving error. Okay, it says x and y. Okay, enum expected. Okay, why does it say enum expected? Okay, let me check. Class interface. Okay, let me check here. That is there any code left unchecked? Oh, look at here. In this one string, okay, index, okay, is a semicolon missing? No. Okay, here it is printing. See, y is greater. Look at here. Okay.
I see.
Let me just put one more system.out.println again so that output will be on the new line. Save it and then right click and run. See, it is saying now y is greater. Look at here. Okay. Do you see the output? Yes. Do you see the output?
I see.
So let me run it one more time.
Okay.
Okay. Look at here. It says y is greater. You see?
Yep, I
And
see.
when we make it 5. Now this time see this condition x greater y. Put the values of x and y. X is 10, y is 5, 10 greater than y. Okay, 10 greater than 5. It's true. True meaning now it is going inside if block and printing x is greater. And when we say y is 15, then it's going inside else block because this condition is false. 10 greater than 15 is false. So false meaning else block is executing, meaning y is greater. Okay. Now let's convert this to ternary operator. Okay. So, okay, how do you convert? So see in here, we say, okay, see, you have to focus in here. So we say x greater y, okay, and then question mark, put question mark, okay. So if it's true, then we say it's a x value is greater, okay, that we will be returning, okay, and then if it's not, then y will be returning, and that you put it in some variable called it is a greater number, okay. See. So now, in greater variable, we got x if this is true. In greater will be y if this is false. Okay, so let's say x is greater than y. Okay, then the expression will be greater equal to x, like this. Okay. If x greater than y is true, then it will be x greater equal to x.
Okay.
Okay, you
And
got it? And if x greater than y is false, meaning what? X greater y is false, meaning what?
print
Meaning,
y.
meaning that greater is equal to y. You understand? If this is
Yes.
true, meaning condition x greater y true, meaning that greater equal to x. So do you understand here the difference? When x
Uh,
greater than y condition is true, meaning what?
I don't understand what this colon does.
See, that's what I'm explaining you. See, x greater y. Okay, now you tell me x's value, put it in here. Y's value, put it in here. X is 10 and y is 15, no? So
Yes.
is 10 greater than 15?
No.
Meaning
No.
false. Meaning x, this condition is returning false. Meaning what? That greater variable holds the value of y.
Okay.
Now, if we change this value, 20, I make it 20x. Now tell me, is x greater y? Meaning 20 greater y? 15?
Yep. Yep. 20
True,
is
true. See, meaning what? X greater y, true meaning what? Now x goes in greater. Means greater will be x. So
okay,
when
sir.
this is true, no, from question mark to colon will be executing. And when this is false, no, from colon to semicolon will be executing.
Fine.
Okay. So this is called ternary operator. So let me just print now, make sure we have the greater number. We say, found greater, okay, and plus greater, okay. Now we're printing the greater number, okay. So let's save this, run it. See, it says x is greater and it's printing found greater 20. See, let's
Yes.
make it 35. Y, okay, we make y greater now. Okay, so y greater now means this is false. False meaning that y goes in greater. Okay, greater will be assigned a value of y. Okay,
Okay.
understand? So it will
Yep.
print 35 is greater. Okay, let's
Yes.
clear this. Save this, run Java. So look at here. It says y is greater and found greater 25. Look at. Understand what is ternary
Yes.
operator?
Understand.
It's like if else only. Okay, it's same as that. Okay, when this condition is true, we are printing x is greater. Okay, if we want, we can do this program like this also. Okay, so let me just comment this. See, we can convert this ternary operator into if else. How? See, look at here. We can say if x greater y, this condition I'm putting it here. Okay, this one. Okay, then
Okay.
curly bracket, and now see if this is true, meaning what? If this is true, meaning what? Your greater value will be x. We put x in greater. Okay.
Okay.
Else meaning okay, this to this. Okay. Meaning x greater y is false. Meaning what? Y is greater. No. Understand? So this
Yeah.
y you put it in greater. So and then finally you print it found greater. Okay. Understand? So this
Yep.
is like replacement. This ternary operator is like replacement for this if else. Okay, that this program took nearly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, but these 5 lines
So
is
the colon is replacing the greater thing.
what?
Is what is the colon replacing?
Colon, no, this is a
Yes.
separator. This is the if block and this is the else block. If this condition is true, then this x will be going in greater. Okay, the x's value will be assigned to greater. If
Okay.
this condition is false, then after colon, there is a y. So y's value, it is assigned to greater. You
Okay.
understand? It's like, say, the condition is, see, if it's a morning, okay, then let's say you have to study maths. If it's a night, you have to study English. Okay, now
Okay.
Okay, now tell me, is it night?
Nope.
No. So what you are studying?
That's
Maths. You understand? So this is like this, okay?
what is the question,
Is
Martin?
x greater? Is
Nope.
x greater than y? You say
Nope.
yes. Then you put greater x. See x in greater. Okay. So let me
Okay.
help you with that. See. So we say so integer. What you are studying? Okay, you are studying. It depends on. Okay, let's say is it night? Okay. Okay, is it night? So is it night? If this is true, meaning what? Is it night? We are asking question. Is it night? So if you say yes, that means after question, there is a okay, there is a English. You have to study English. Okay. So what you are studying? You are studying English. Understand?
Yep.
If this is true, is it night? You say no. That means you're studying maths.
Okay.
Understand? So what you are studying? You are studying maths.
Okay.
Understand?
Yep.
So this is the syntax, for ternary operator. Okay,
Okay.
you got it?
Yep, I got it.
Okay. So now there is, bitwise operators. Okay, let's start. So let me just comment this part, ternary operator. Are you practicing?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we have, multiple comments already in here. Okay. Let's remove these comments. Okay. Okay, so now we are learning bitwise operators. Okay, you have to focus. Okay, what is bitwise operator? So bitwise operators. See, bitwise operators means it's a binary system. Okay, so if you don't know what is binary numbers, okay, let me help you with that. The binary number, for see, the binary number for decimal number is zero. Okay, for binary number will be zero, say 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay,
Okay.
and the binary value for decimal number one is okay. See, what happened here? Okay, see, this is zero and this is one. So last bit will become one. This is decimal value one. Okay. So
Okay.
for decimal value one, the binary number system is this. Okay. For two, okay, it will be 1, 0. For
Okay.
three, okay, this will be one and this will be one. Okay. And the four, okay, just like do copy paste now. Okay, for four, it's a 1, 0, 0. Okay. If you don't know how to calculate, okay, this binary number, okay, from decimal to binary, how do you do it? Okay. There are powers, okay. See, it's 0, then 0, then 0, and 0, one more 0, and here again 0. Okay. How many are there? 3, 4, 6, okay. Okay, so look at here, the powers are there. Okay, this is the last one. It is like 2 to the power 0. 2 power 2 power 0. Okay, so what is 2 raised to 0? Yes,
Two
what is
plus.
2? Yes, it's a 0, no? 2 power
Yep.
2 raised to 0 is 0.
Okay.
You understand?
Yep. Yep.
Okay, then what is, okay, just let me do copy. See, let me just do copy in here. Okay, what is 2 power 1?
Two.
That is 2. Very good. Okay, it is 2. And then what is 2 power 2?
4.
It's 4, very good. Understand?
Yep.
So it is 2 power, let's start it from here. Okay, 2 power 7. It's a 128.
Yeah.
Then 2 power 6. 54.
Yeah.
Okay. If you don't know, just do half of it. Okay, 128.
Yeah.
The
Okay.
half is 64. 2 to the power 5.
32.
It's a half of 64, which is
32.
32. Okay. Then 2 to the power 4.
16.
Very good. It's a 16. Okay. And then 2 to the power
Of 3.
2 to the power 3. It is
8.
8. You're seeing here, it's becoming half. Okay. As you travel, if you go from left to right. Okay. Understand? So this is like 4. 2 to the power is 4. We already did this part. Okay. You understand? So if you want to make any binary number, okay, if you want to find any binary number, okay, so you have to look at the power here, okay, this bracket is a binary number, okay.
Okay.
Okay, so okay, in here, look at here. Now tell me, like 10, I want to make 10. Which bit I have to make 1?
What? I can't hear you.
See, I want to, find the binary number value for, decimal 10. What you can do? Say how you have to do additions of these and make 10 out of it.
Okay.
Which bit will you make? If you do this bit 1, that means it is 2.
Yeah, 2 power 1 plus 2 power 3.
2, okay, now this is 1 means it is 2. Now 2 plus what?
8.
8. Very good. So this is a binary number for 10.
Okay.
You understand? Now you do copy paste. Now for, let's say I want to make 20. So 20 means what?
2 power 4 plus 2
Yes,
power.
this bit you have to make 1 and this one. Okay.
Okay.
16 plus 4 is 20. So that's why you have to make this one. So this is the binary number for 20. You understand? Let's say I want to make 24. What do you do?
24.
24.
Um.
It's a highest number. See, 24, this one is greater, this one is greater, this one is greater, this one is smaller. So
Small.
16, you make this bit 1, 16. So 16 plus 8 will be 24, right?
Yeah.
You make this one and the rest bits 0. You understand?
Yep.
Okay. So let's make 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus, okay, 38. I want to make 38, okay.
Very good. Okay. You want to make 38, so
Okay, let's make 35.
okay, 30
Okay, how do you make 35? It's 32. Okay,
plus
let's make it 30, Okay, 2 to the power 0, what?
uh
Check in Google, 2 to the power 0.
okay.
Put it in
32.
Google, 2 to the power 0. It's 1, okay?
Okay.
See, 32, you make this bit 1, okay? Now I have to add what? 3. How do you add 3? How do you make 3? 2 plus 1. Okay. So this is 1. Okay. So this is 2. So 32 plus 2 becomes 4 and this becomes 1. Okay. That means this is 35 now. Okay.
Okay.
Remember 2 to the power 0 is 1. Okay. You understand?
Yep.
And if you go from right to left, you see it is the number is double. See 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Okay. Understand?
Yes.
As you move from right to left, it is double. Okay. And when you move from left to right, it is half. Okay.
Okay.
Let's make 68. Okay. How do you make 60? Let's say 52. Okay. Let's make 53. Okay. So 53 means which bits I have to make one? See, 52. First, you find the greater number. Okay, 64 is greater, 32 is smaller. So you have to make this bit 1. So how many left? 42, 52 means 21 number is left. So 21 you make this one 1. So out of, see, subtract, 16 from 21, it's 5. 5 means you make this bit 1. So 5 minus 4 is 1. So you make this 0 and this one. So this is, you do addition. It will be, 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 16, 21. 21 plus 32, 53. Understand? So these are decimal numbers that you see in here. And this is the method, finding, binary number for decimal number. Okay. So this is like, decimal to binary. Okay. Understand? Or it's a binary to decimal. You can do vice versa. Okay. If this number is given to you. Okay, this number. What is this? So you'll say, or this number is given to you. What is this number? 1, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 16, 21 plus 32, 53. You found the decimal. Okay. And from decimal to the binary, you can do this. Okay. All right. So this is number system we have learned from decimal to binary, binary to decimal. So we can stop the session now. Okay. Rejoin the session. Have a nice day.
I'll rejoin.